Righty ho. How are you all doing today? Good, I hope. Right. Today's a custom order. It's the £2. It's the outer part of the £2 coin. So first of all, let's show it some love with Bernie. Nice day today. Sun's out. I went to see Def Leppard a couple of nights ago. Unbelievable, really good. Great night. They played for nearly 2 hours. They've been going for nearly 50 years. Unbelievable, eh? They still kick ass. He was saying how they got started, like, you know, they went around his mate's house and they had a chat about it, and they said, "Sod it, let's give it a go." And obviously, it panned out well for them. Fair play, eh? I think I might need a slightly larger ball bearing. Right. £2 face up on the ring. That goes in our little doming block called Dimples. And this is Lucille's brother called Dave. Oh, not much there. Let's see what happens. Go over to Big Red. That should be enough to get it going. Yeah, that shouldn't be too bad. So now we want one of these, doming block. A 17-degree folding die. And get nice and level. Nice and easy, does it every time. Right. Yeah, perfect. Right. I just want to clean the edge up a bit. Get too much of the old. Right, I'm going to heat it up again, then we're going to go over to Spike and have a play there. So I'll be back in a tick. Right, I just annealed it again, we're now over to Spike. This is for the same person I was doing that Australian 50 cents for, the extra big one. Give it a turn each time. Let's turn it over. Is anybody out there looking for a custom ring? Hey, give me a shout. How you doing, Bear? How's the old rings coming along? Good? The photos you sent me, they're really coming that good. Touch more. Right. I'm going to use this gizmo thing again. This sleeve. So he wants this super big. But he said he's, I think she said he's going to lose some weight. Because otherwise I'm guessing that's the sizes. Right. What we got here now? That is about it. So I want to heat it up again. Might as well keep you here. It's going to be a short video, this one, because it's nearly done. And the gas bottle's getting low. Luckily I've got some more here, so that should do the job. Right, we'll now nip down to the bottom of the spike, and here's a reduction dice. Just drying it off. Right, what we got? I don't know if there's anything near. I don't think there is. No. I can use this 17 degree folding die. There's a bit there I can use. Make sure it's nice and square. That fits in this one a bit better. That's better. Right, what size we got? There's a bit of a lip on the inside as well, which I'll just rip out. If you've recently subscribed, thank you very much. Yeah, you can send me your own coins if you want. I've got a load of coins, but you can always ask me what I've got, or if I've got a coin you particularly like. Still feel a bit of a lip in there. I get in there. Right. I was just looking for. I'm going to clean that edge up where I just. This is very similar to Quad Zero Steel Wool. It doesn't scratch it. Just gets the fire scale off. Tighten it up a bit. He doesn't want any patina on this, just the as it is. And polished, obviously. Right, let's go to polish. I've got to get some more polish, I'm getting very low on it. Like really low. Like lower than the low thing. Right. That should do the job. Right. Clean off the old mingers. See what the damage is. I will clear coat this for him as well. A slightly cleaner cloth. I think we're in there. There you go. The outside part of a £2 coin. We're close to his size. It's a size 15. I could probably get it a little bit. No, I can't. That's as big as it's going to get. So there you go, folks. Thanks for watching. Hope you're having a great week. Weekend's upon us. This will be going up Saturday. So have a great weekend. Fits his finger perfectly. And try and make someone smile in your life. And yeah, the rest of you can have this. Have it. Have it again.